Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove in-app purchase in apps, and you are going to use it for free without paying any money. So right now I will show you how steps on how it is done. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, and also stay tuned in the video so you don't get lost. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how it is done. Alright, so look at the app that we are going to use. The name of the app is Lucky Pasha. Alright, so let's check it out and see what it does. When you download your Lucky Pasha, this is how it looks like. So now all you have to do is you click on any app that you want to remove the premium feature, which is in-app purchase, and you're going to be using the app for free without paying any money. So right now let me choose this first app over here. Then when you click on the app, you're going to see some menu over here. Alright, so the first menu is app info, launch app, menu of patches, choose, uninstall, and so on and so forth. But what you're going to choose is you click on menu of patches, and that is what we are going to use. And once you click on it, another menu will pop off. So all you're going to do is you still choose APK rebuild for in-app and license verification emulation. Alright, so you're gonna click on it, and you're gonna see some some switches which you are going to turn on. Once you didn't turn it on correctly, you're not going to get it. But all you have to do is you follow what I'm doing so that you don't get lost. So for you not to get lost, all you have to do is follow what I'm doing step by step, then you are going to get it. So now the first switch which you are going to on is this support patch for license and in-app emulation. That's the first one. Then you see click on this second one, this third one, this fourth one, and this fifth one. But you're not going to on this one, which is not useful in this patch. So right now we're going to click on the switch, click on this second one, third one, and the fourth one. Alright, once you are done with this step, the next step you are going to click is you click on rebuild repeat the APK. Alright, so right now I'll click on rebuild APK, then you wait for it to load. Alright, so we are going to wait for some time. It's not going to waste a lot of time. So we'll see allow it to load. Okay, alright, so this is it now. Emulation for license and in-app purchases added. It's pattern 1. Alright, so you're not going to click on OK. You don't click on OK. All you have to do is click on go to file over here. Then once you click on go to file, you click on uninstall and install. Okay, then you click on uninstall and install. Okay, click on yes. Okay, then you allow the app to uninstall. After uninstalling, you see install it again. Then after installing it, you are good to go. All you have to do is you launch your app and see. Okay, as you can see it now, free tips and VIP tips. Alright, so let's click on VIP tips. Alright, so as you can see, access all VIPs cost you $6. Then hot picks VIP, have to subscribe it for $15. Okay, you see the prices over here. So alright, so you've seen it. So let's just pick a package over here and see if it is going to work. So all you have to do now is you click on subscribe, then you will now see in-app purchases hack. Okay, do you want to try to get this item for free? All you have to do now is you click on this save button over here, save purchase for restore. Note, follow my steps so that you don't get lost. Alright, so you click on save purchase for restore, then you click on yes. and you are done subscribe. You've seen it, you are subscribed from it. So whenever you click on it like this, it will load inside the app. Then you can see the free features. That this is okay, this is betting tips. So you've seen it, this is how it works. Then if you still want to unlock more packages, you see, okay, let's go on single VIP, click on subscribe, save purchase for a store, click on yes, automatically it is subscribed. You are not paying any dime. Okay, this is how it is work. All right, so for you to get this app, my email is, go to my channel description area. You see my email there, then you email me, I'll tell you what to do. All right, so love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll still drop more videos on how to get free apps that you don't have to pay. Another strategy. All right, so have a nice day.